Hello everyone, today I would like to introduce to you some methods for using the FIFINE Control Deck tool. The first one is the use of the toolbox. Locate the toolbox on the upper right side of the operation panel, click to open it, and then gently press the icon and drag it to the blank button. The second one is the use of the URL tool. After clicking the URL tool, fill in the required URL in the URL box below, and then you can achieve one-click opening of the URL on the operation keyboard. The third one is the setting of the shortcut keys. Clicking the shortcut keys allows you to click the required shortcut keys on the keyboard, so that you can set the function of the shortcut keys on the operation keyboard. The fourth one is the application of mouse events. Clicking the icon on the computer desktop can know the coordinates of the icon, and then you can input the relevant coordinates in the coordinate box to select the desired operation to execute it. The fifth one is the opening of application functions. You can choose to open an application or a file, and then simply click the button to achieve one-click opening. The sixth one is the text input function. Input the required text in the text box, and don't forget to check the first box below, and then you can achieve one-click sending after the operation. The seventh one is the multimedia control function keys. You can choose options such as playing the previous song function, playing the next song function, pause function, play function, etc. Please follow the above steps to operate to ensure accurate and smooth operation.